This training video will show you how to use the clearlift Pro 1064nm Q switch with the Pixel 5x5 multi-depth tip on the Alma Harmony. Set up your Alma Harmony as shown in the setup video. Connect the magnetic 1064 Pixel 5x5 tip with the flat side facing downwards. Attach the magnetic cooled horseshoe tip in front of the Pixel tip. The system automatically identifies the connected applicators. The laser module, clearlift Pro, is displayed on the operating screen. Press on the picture and you will be taken to the corresponding operating screen. The system automatically identifies the connected applicator and tip. The Pixel 5x5 multi-depth is displayed on the operating screen. To use Alma presets, press Load, Alma Presets, select Skin Type, and then choose your indication. The settings will be displayed as detailed in the operating manual. All settings can be changed if required. The desired focal depth can be changed automatically by pressing the up and down arrows. The depths range from deep -2 to +2, which is the most superficial. Adjust the energy value using the arrows. The energy is presented by two values, in millijoules per pulse and millijoules per pixel below. Note the maximum energy is 2400 millijoules per pulse, working at 1 to 3 Hz, 1800 when working at 4 Hz, 1500 at 5 Hz, and 1200 at 6 Hz. Frequency can be toggled from 1 to 6 Hz. This will deliver consecutive pulses per second when the trigger and foot switch are pressed. The total energy needed to be accumulated during the treatment will be set here in kilojoules per grid as per the operating manual. The time of the treatment will be calculated according to the total energy needed to be accumulated per grid as per the operating manual and will automatically count down until you have accumulated all the desired energy. Cooling can be switched off or used at 25, 50, 75, or 100% intensity. The intensity of the aiming beam can be adjusted or turned off. The total number of pulses in your session will be recorded here. To save your chosen settings, press Save As, type the name, and press Save. To retrieve your presets, press Load, My Presets, and you will be taken to your saved settings. You are now ready to start your treatment. Ensure treatment area is clean of any cosmetics and numbing cream and dry thoroughly. Remove all jewelry from the treatment area. A skin test should be performed prior to the treatment session. If working on the face and neck, opaque shields need to be worn by the patient and the appropriate safety goggles worn by the operator. Remove the applicator from the holder and secure it to the wrist with a safety strap. Press the standby button to switch to ready mode to start the treatment. Position the tip perpendicular to the skin and activate the laser by pressing the foot switch and then the finger trigger. Keep both pressed throughout the treatment. Move methodically over the required grid area in an in-motion method, delivering the required energy while keeping the cooled end piece in contact with the skin. During the procedure, the total time will count down until you have accumulated the necessary energy as detailed in the operating manual. If several depths are required, the treatment can be paused and the depth changed. There is no need to change tip. Treatment can then be resumed as before. It is advisable to start with a deeper depth first. To treat large areas, the cooled roller tip can be used. The roller function needs to be switched to on. When using the roller tip, the depth control is still possible. Set the energy. The maximum energy when working with the roller is 900 millijoules per pulse. The energy needed to be accumulated is calculated for a grid as per the operating manual. The amount of energy accumulated in a treatment is shown here. Press the foot switch and trigger to start treatment. The roller needs to be in motion to laze and kept perpendicular as possible to the skin. The roller will deliver a 5x5 pixel grid side by side as the tip moves. When reaching the required energy in a treatment area, the laser will stop and the operator can proceed to the next area and reset parameters as described. At the end of the treatment, switch to standby and return the applicator to its holder at the side of the device. The clinical endpoint is mild to moderate erythema. When using +1 and +2 depths, some petechiae may be seen. Apply soothing cream on the treatment area and remind the client of post-treatment instructions. Refer to the operating manual for in-depth post-treatment instructions.